Hi, welcome back to KSM Pharma Tech YouTube channel. Ever wondered how to identify whether a blister pack is made up of? Let's will see whether what material used and why. What is the benefits? Watch the video till end. One bonus will be waiting, and if you new to this channel, please hit the bell icon and subscribe for more insights. Let's quickly start the content. PVC, PVDC and PCTFE blister packaging and their benefits. 1. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, blister film. Structural integrity and rigidity support physical protection during transport and handling. Excellent thermoformability allows consistent pocket formation for unit dose delivery. High transparency ensures clear visibility of tablets or capsules, aiding patient compliance. Cost-effective base material, with an established recycling stream in Europe, over 9.5 million tons of rigid PVC recycled since 2000. 2. Polyvinylidene chloride, PVDC, coating. Superior barrier against moisture and oxygen, greatly extending the shelf life of moisture-sensitive medications. Applied as a thin coating onto PVC film without compromising clarity or thermoformability. Enhances chemical resistance, protecting active pharmaceutical ingredients from degradation. Enables precise unit dose presentation while maintaining long-term product stability. 3. Polychlorotrifluoroethylene, PCTFE, blister film. Industry-leading moisture vapor transmission rates, MVTR, often below 0.01 gm superscript 2.day, for ultra-sensitive formulations. Outstanding chemical inertness and gas barrier, making it ideal for highly hygroscopic or oxygen-sensitive actives. Maintains film flexibility and clarity even at low temperatures, supporting cold chain products. Provides tamper-evident sealing when paired with aluminum or specialty lidding films. Comparative benefits. Feature PVC base film PVDC coating PCTFE film. Moisture barrier moderate high ultra high. Oxygen barrier low high very high. Mechanical strength high not applicable, coating only high. Transparency excellent excellent excellent. Thermoformability excellent excellent good. Chemical inertness moderate moderate excellent. Cost low moderate high. Identification of PVC, PVDC and PCTFE blister films. 1. Visual and physical inspection. Spotting obvious differences can guide you before any analytical test. PVC film. Crystal clear, high gloss. Typical thickness, 200 to 800 m. Feels firm with moderate stiffness. PVDC-coated PVC. Slightly hazed or opalescent surface on the coated side. Same base thickness as PVC, plus a thin coating layer, 40 to 120 gm superscript 2. Coating side often faces the aluminum lidding fall. PCTFE film. Ultra clear, glass-like transparency. Feels more flexible and elastic, even at low temperatures. Often thinner, 80 to 200 m, due to its superior barrier properties. 2. Morpholine Spot Test for PVDC. A simple chemical test differentiates PVC from PVDC-coated PVC. 1. Cut a small piece of the blister film. 2. Apply a drop of Morpholine to one surface. 3. Observe color change over 10 to 30 seconds. PVDC coating side yellowish to brownish tint. Bare PVC no color change. This test is fast, field deployable, and widely used in packaging lines for batch verification. 3. Moisture vapor transmission rate, MVTR, measurement. Measuring barrier performance gives quantitative clues. Polymer typical MVTR, GM superscript 2.day at 38 degrees Celsius per 90% RH. PVC 2.4 to 4.0. PVDC 0.16 to 0.70. PCTFE 0.01. Ever wondered how to identify whether a blister pack is made of PVC or PVDC? In this video, we'll show you a simple chemical test using Morpholine that reveals the difference in seconds. Let's dive into the science. Morpholine Spot Test for PVDC. A simple chemical test differentiates PVC from PVDC-coated PVC. 1. Cut a small piece of the blister film. 2. Here's what you need. 2 blister foils, 1 PVC foil, 1 PVDC foil and Morpholine reagent. Always wear gloves and work in a ventilated area. 3. Apply a drop of Morpholine to one surface. 4. Observe color change over 10 to 30 seconds. PVDC coating side yellowish to brownish tint. Bare PVC no color change. This test is fast, field deployable, and widely used in packaging lines for batch verification. Why does this happen? PVDC reacts with Morpholine due to its vinylidene chloride content, forming a colored complex. PVC, on the other side, remains inert under these conditions. So next time you are unsure about your blister pack material, the Morpholine test gives you a quick and reliable answer. Simple, effective, and lab-approved. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to KSM Pharmatech for more technical instrumentation tips and lab hacks. See you in the next video.